Want to have a clear understanding of your chakras and how to balance them? Well, stick around, because in today's video, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about, and I can't wait to dive in. But before we do, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to receive notifications each and every time I post a new video, and let's get into it. Lizzie is one of my star students in the academy, and after only 8 weeks, she's overcome her self-sabotage and is now channeling her guides and her guidance team on the other side, is stepping into creating her legacy dream course and on her way to fulfilling her dharma. So be sure to stay to the end of the video if you want to learn how you can join Lizzie in Other Side Channeling Academy, and let's dive into the video. The word chakra means wheel in Sanskrit, and basically that's exactly what our chakras are wheels of energy spinning along the central axis of our body. Working with energy is, tapping right into the unseen realms, so it's super important that you're clear with why you're doing it and who you want to connect with and what you're connecting with, what kind of energy. For me, I always tap right into source, the highest possible frequency of energy, and my team is in alignment there with source energy. Other people channel, other things and from other places, and that's totally fine, but for me, just so you know, that's where my connection is, with source energy and the highest divine light. So starting at the top of our chakra system is the crown chakra, and it's right here on the top of our head, and basically it's our connection to the divine. So opening our crown chakra is like opening up to the infinite vastness of the universe, and all of a sudden when your crown chakra is clear, it's like your mind gets clear. All of a sudden you get filled with joy and the connection to all that is. It's really best opened through meditation, and well, I like to use sound. So having a Tibetan bowl, also chanting Om is really, really great for opening your crown chakra. I'd love to know what your experience has been like with your own chakras. So go ahead and drop some comments there down below. I'd love to hear more about you also and where you're at with your chakras. If this resonated for you, please, please, please let me know. And be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to receive notifications each and every time I post a new video. And if you want to know more about joining me and my other star clients, like I mentioned Lizzie before, be sure to check out the link in the description below and let's chat. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna chat. I'm gonna find out where you are right now, where you'd like to be, and if Other Side Channeling Academy can help you to bridge that gap. So go ahead and click on the link below, book in a time to chat with me. It's totally free, and see if my program, Other Side Channeling Academy, is a good fit for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Namaste.